Welcome to or welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today I'm going to do a long-term review of my Homestead Implements root rake grapple. I've had it for 2 years now, and I think I can give a pretty good fair review about it. When the power company came through, and I'll link that video below, they cut out pretty much everything from the edge of our path here to the tree line, which is underneath the power lines here. And they left a bunch of big logs, and I had just buried them. And now I'm getting them out. And some of them I'm going to salvage for campfire wood, like this pine. And the rest of them, there should be some hardwoods in there. Pretty heavy log. Make sure to subscribe for future updates on the grapple and any of my other implements. I'm thinking about putting a little firewood stand out at the bottom of the driveway. Help sell this pine. That'll do. This probably won't be a surprise, but the grapple is my favorite tractor implement. I think that every compact tractor owner should probably have a grapple. There's just so many uses for it. Picking up sticks, brush, logs for firewood, big rocks, just anything. It's just a great implement to have. I would say my grapple is on my tractor probably 95% of the time. My most common uses for my grapple are to clear land of invasive honeysuckle and autumn olive, push over dead trees, and to haul logs for firewood. Make sure to scroll through my old videos for more in-depth content on each of those, and I'll link them down below in the description box. I've had my Homestead Implements 55-inch Pinnacle Series root rake grapple for about 2 years now, and it has been absolutely trouble-free. It's just a great piece of equipment, and I don't abuse it, but I use it. And yeah, a little bit of pain has been worn off, but that's pretty much expected. I honestly believe that this Homestead Implements grapple is the best American-made grapple in the world. A very important thing for me when buying implements is that they're made right here in the USA. Here's another amazing American-made product, the big tool rack. Got dual cylinders. It's greasable, both sides. Really well made piece of equipment. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. Thanks. Comparisons between brands are kind of tough because most people have only used whatever brand they're using. I've used Land Pride at work and Homestead at home, and I much prefer the Homestead. Of course, everyone's individual experience varies, but my experience with the Homestead versus the Land Pride, I would absolutely take the Homestead over the Land Pride any day. Oh, we got some movement. Oh yeah. Boom. That's so fun. Around there. Some of the main reasons I went with Homestead Implements was the fairly short lead time from build to delivery. And when I reached out to them, they had great response time, and they called to confirm hose length for where my third function is located, which was pretty helpful. Well, that's my review for my Homestead Implements Pinnacle Series grapple. Thanks for watching. Here's some wildlife footage for you to enjoy.